One last light in the corner glows. Shadows stretch, the evening slows. The tea beside me is losing steam, but warmth still lingers quietly. I loosen words I didn't say, untie the thoughts I carried all day. They don't need answers anymore. I set them gently on the floor. The night hums low, a steady sound, like something safe that wraps around. No dreams to chase, no plans to keep, just drifting closer into sleep. I thank the day for what it gave, for fragile strength, for how I stayed even the moments hard to hold. Taught my tired heart how to grow. I placed them down beside my bed. All the things stuck in my head, they won't be calling out tonight. They'll wait for me in morning light. If I wake up in the dark again, I'll breathe and trust the quiet then. The silence is an empty space. It's where my mind learns how to rest. Rest isn't something I must earn, or something I forgot to learn. It's in this breath, this gentle pace, this moment where I'm safe. So I close my eyes, let go of sound. Let sleep come slow or not right now. Whatever comes, I'll be okay. I've done enough.